Hi guys, my name Nam and welcome to the first video of my challenge in 10th day. Today I want to tell you about a story. It's named The Six Blind Men and an Elephant. Once upon a time there were six blind men. They lived in a town in India. They thought was very clever. They said, I'm very smart. No, I am smarter than you. No, it isn't. I am smartest man in this town. Every day they argued to each other. One day, an elephant came into the town, and the blind man did not know about an elephant look like, but they can smell it and hear it. Wow, it's a big elephant. A little girl said, An elephant? What does this animal look like? They said. Then each man taught a different part of the elephant. The first man taught a body elephant. It felt big, hard, and wide. He said, Oh, an elephant like wall. The second man taught one of elephant tucks. It felt hard, smooth, and sharp. He said, No, an elephant not like a wall, it's like a spear. The first man taught the elephant chalk. It felt long and thin and wiggly. He said, No, an elephant not like wall, it's not like spear either. An elephant like a snake. The four men tossed one of elephant leg. It felt big and rough and round and hard. He says, No, an elephant not like a wall, or an elephant is not like a spear or snake either. An elephant like a big tree. He said. The fifth man tossed one of elephant ears. It felt thick and moved. He says, No, an elephant not like a wall, it's not like spear or snake or tree either. An elephant like a fan. He said. The sixth man taught elephant tail. It felt long and thick and strong and thin. He said, You are wrong. An elephant not like a wall. It's not like a spear or snake or tree or fan. An elephant like a rope. The six blind men still argued together. An elephant like a wall. No, it isn't. An elephant like a spear. No, it isn't. An elephant like snake. No, it isn't. An elephant like a tree. No, it isn't. An elephant like a fan. No, it isn't. An elephant like a rope. They didn't agree. A little girl also heard them. She says, You are not very clever. You didn't feel the whole anymore. You just feel part of it. But I know what are you talking about. It's an elephant.